Welcome to Bequant. In this how-to video, we'll walk through the process and timing of evaluating the Bequant QoE platform via an engaging no-cost trial. By now, you should have seen a presentation or demonstration of Bequant QoE software's capabilities for advanced network traffic optimization and deep visibility. If not, please contact your local Bequant representative. So now you want to test drive Bequant's quality of experience software. Well, you've come to the right place to see how that's done. This timetable gives the high-level steps that you'll encounter during your trial. A Bequant representative will guide you through these steps. There's also a lot of information regarding hardware specs, software installation, and setup in our online webpage under documentation. Let's look at these steps in detail. Step 1. Dimensioning and sourcing the server hardware. Your server needs to be sized for the uplink plus downlink peak throughput it will be processing. Some organizations may have servers from prior projects or servers that supported a competing QoE solution. Many of these may work well for your trial. Our Bequant support folks can assist in determining the viability of any server hardware specification you provide. The network diagram shows where in your core network the BQN appliance should be placed. There are only a few restrictions. In order for the BQN to see and organize subscribers' KPIs, the BQN appliance needs to be between any CGNAT device and your end users. BQN needs to see subscriber traffic in both the uplink and downlink. For any rate plan-related controls like max speed test or specific flow controls, the BQN appliance must be able to sync with your billing system or Radius database holding subscriber IDs and associated rate plans. Step 2. Download and install the QoE software. Bequant QoE software and starter configuration file can be downloaded from a shared drive provided by your Bequant sales or support representative. There will be several files in this shared download folder. These are an ISO file containing the complete disk image, the B package file with the latest software version, the latest shaping config file describing best practice application shaping and prioritization rules that you will load and enable later in the trial period. Detailed installation steps can be found online under docs/software installation. These instructions will walk you through burning the ISO to a bootable USB drive, telling your server BIOS to boot from that external drive, and following the prompts to set up basic server configuration. Step 3. Setting up remote access for the trial period. During the trial, there will be times when our sales and support team will need access to the BQN appliance to ensure server compatibility, review settings, or make setting changes on your behalf. No changes will be made without your knowledge and permissions. We have several methods to establish that remote access. Port forwarding to a private IP address, SSL VPN with client of your choosing, and public IP address behind the BQN appliance's embedded BQN firewall. This is rarely used. Our support folks will work with you to ensure your trial QoE server can reach the BQN license manager. The BQN must also see one or more NTP servers. Step 4. Installation validation. Before passing any live traffic, one of our Bequant support will need to validate the BQN server settings and capacity. This can be done at any time after software installation and before go live. Step 5. Obtaining and installing the trial license. By now we've agreed upon the peak traffic that will pass through the BQN QoE appliance. Given a few system-specific parameters, we'll create a 2-week or 30-day license at the peak throughput for the trial. We're almost ready to pass traffic. Final step number 6. Go live, periodic tuning cadence and reviews. Once the server hardware is obtained, these initial setup steps should only take a few hours of your time. Once plumbed into your core network with bypass failover in place, we'll execute periodic trial support and check-in calls. The most successful trials follow this regimen. An initial call to verify billing system integration to obtain subscriber IDs and rate plans. Then begin traffic flow through the BQN platform with no optimization or shaping, capturing unoptimized statistics for 1 to 3 days as a baseline. A check-in call to review unoptimized traffic statistics like packet retransmissions, latencies, and congestion. We'll then enable only TCPO and ACM optimization and let the system run for 2 or so days. A check-in call to review optimized traffic statistics. Enable billing system integration. Validate subscriber IDs are being seen by the BQN platform. Review and enable the application shaping and prioritization rules and let the shaping run for 2 or so days. A check-in call to review and perform any tuning of shaping rules. We'll let the optimization and shaping run for an additional 1 to 2 days. By the end of this 2-week period, you should be well-versed in the performance improvements that QoE has made in your network. We'll perform a final check-in call to review optimization improvements and answer any outstanding questions. We're confident you'll like what you'll see. Visit bequant.com for more videos, how-tos, and other technical documentation. And read our solution briefs and case studies to see how Bequant's QoE helps you take control of your network.